Hey y'all, today I'm showing y'all how to remove this vinyl stone guard on your Toyota Tacomas. It's real ugly. It has cracks all up in it, but I'm going to show y'all how to remove it. So what you're going to need is a heat gun. It's because it's real brittle when it's cold. So you want to warm it up with a heat gun. I'd suggest using one of these. It's like a plastic pry bar. It works really, really well. It's like your fingernail, but better. So yeah, I'd really recommend using that, y'all. It saves a lot of time and a lot of pain. Look, it peels right off. It looks like there's a chip right there. It looks like a rock may have bumped through the stone guard or something. So I got a little bit more off. I'm all the way down to here. But I'm reheating it again. Okay, so I got the whole stone guard removed, and now I have this nasty layer of gunk. Just get that goo going and let it soak in. So I got to scratching more and more and more. Sprayed a ton of goo on. Just hose it down and grab this, and I still have a little bit right over here. You just get this, or your fingernail. Your fingernail works just as good, but it just kind of hurts when you do it a lot. Hose it down. It's all about hosing it down with the screw gun, because when you work it in, it just works so much better. It's just the residue glue. And look, since I've been hosing it down, look how easy it comes off. So what I did is I let some glue gun sit for 15 minutes and I started scratching. And I just started hosing it down. I just finished up, and that's what it looks like without stone guard, and it looks great. The only problem, or the only thing I don't like about it, is you can see the little dents that the rocks made when they got kicked up or chipped the paint, but it looks a lot better than a moldy piece of plastic right there. So yeah. I hope y'all liked the video. See y'all later on Louisiana Rebel TV channel. Later.